Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. Top of range or not quite a cup and handle, but top of range, or could be a big cup and handle, big cup, big handle. So kind of the setup we got. We did have a fairly decent rejection yesterday, even though we got going. We're back above the moving averages, and this has kind of been the play for the last couple of weeks, below, above, below. So treat that as a range for now. So we are top of range. I'd be reluctant to be jumping in long up there based on the 8-hour. If we look at the 3-hour charts, you can see we've had a fairly decent pullback on the 3-hour. Could be a situation of just looking for support. There is a fairly decent zone here of, let me just get that there. So there's a fairly decent zone here of potential support, and that is going to be between 34,357 and 34,263. Now, if we get down to the hour, and this is where it starts getting fairly interesting. We had a strong move up, but a pretty big pullback. So this is almost a pin bar on the daily. Not quite a pin, not probably more of a big green body, but a big green tail. You see there what I'm talking about? So look at my oscillators, they are crossed over, point to the upside. So I'm really treating that as a range. I don't think there's any other way that you need to look at this right now. We are top of range. So for us to get through, we're going to need a little bit of help. So there is data coming out which could give us help. We do have diversions on the hour, which is bullish. We have crossed over, as we said yesterday. It just kind of got going and then shot up. So this could be the pullback on structure. So levels I'd be paying attention to today, 34,357 and 34,263. Nothing changes there. But if you look at this on the 15-minute, we're kind of nowhere. So this is what we need to recapture, and that's 34,500. Oh, we need to get above it. We need to build a base above it, and only then would I look to be long up at these levels. So the other opportunity is to come back, test this area, but bear in mind that we come all the way down here to 34,263. That takes out, or doesn't take up, but it almost erodes all of the gains of yesterday. So that's something that I'd be a little bit concerned about. So I think between this and the S&P 500, I think I'd rather focus on the S&P 500. So the first lot of earnings that are going to come out will impact the Dow more than the S&P, because there's fewer stocks in the Dow Jones. We've only got 30 stocks in the Dow Jones, but the S&P's got 500. So any volatility in those 30 stocks, and quite a few of them are coming out next week and tomorrow. So yeah, so I think we're probably just going to range until Tuesday, Wednesday, when the earnings season really kicks off. So yeah, so for me, this is kind of be a situation of just sit back, wait, rather focus on the DAX and the S&P 500. Some decent setups there, so you just go watch those videos, you'll see that there. Anyway, if you like what you see, drop us a thumbs up and leave us a comment, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.